say something?
Yes, go ahead.
Hi, it's me.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, it was amazing, like always, but I have to grab my mind for words. I realized what I want to share is, like, in the beginning, in the first exercise, I had resistance to the resistance. Like it felt like a double layer. And I felt the word that you expressed really amazing, like the allowance, how important allowing. It's not a doing, it's and it can be such a difficult concept in this world where we're all so mental. And then when you experience that feeling of, I want to allow, and then you feel your resistance, and then you get angry at yourself because you feel resistance, and you're like, I'm not doing this good enough, and now I should, and again it's like, okay, accept that I feel resistance. It's okay to feel resistance. Resistance is part of it. And then, slowly you can appreciate yourself a little more and a little more and a little more for just the little that you can do. Is just showing up, Sometimes you just showing up is enough. And we can be so hard on ourselves. And it blocks everything. And you're willing to, like, walk 1,000 kilometers, right? You're willing to not sleep a whole night, but it's exhausting. And you can't keep up. And then it's making you so tired. And then you get more angry. Like, what the fuck have I done today? Excuse my language. What have I done? I haven't done anything. And it's just because the mind is working so hard. And just that second where you're like, it's okay. It's okay. You're feeling resistant. Of course you're feeling resistant. Of course. And then woof, you let go. And then you let go more. And then you just accept. And then in your presence, it's always such a gift to be in your presence. Because, like you say, it's so true. The moment you radiate, and you're in your heart, the whole world responds. You affect everybody, animals, children. You can see the proof in everything. So I appreciate you so much.
Thank you. Same here. And I love what you said about the resistance. The resistance perpetuates itself with more resistance. When you're resisting that you are in resistance, you are in this trap. But when you love, you say, hey, right now I'm in resistance. And instead of giving fuel to that, I'm going to accept that I am in resistance. And I'm going to accept that the resistance is there while breathing in the energy of the resistance. And then it dissolves itself. Because one of the traits of the energetic field of the heart, which is pure consciousness, is to embrace everything as one. And the resistance needs more separation, and you just become one with the resistance, and the resistance dissolves. So it's good that you realize that, because there is no need to fight. It's everything about embracing. Embrace your sickness, embrace your problems, embrace others, and the whole world become one, because your mind is in oneness, and the world is happening in your mind. Your body is happening in your mind.